What's up, y'all? Today I'm going to teach you how to play What Do I Do by SZA. First, here's a little preview of what it's going to sound like.
Last night, called on accident. Heard you fucking on the other end. It's too late, I'll never be the same again. It's too late, I'll never be the same again. I bet he with you right now, ain't he? I bet he with you right now, ain't he? I bet he with you right now, ain't he? I bet he with you right now, ain't he?
So I have a capo on the 4th fret, and every chord that I teach is relative to the capo. You need to know 4 chords for the song, and those 4 chords are A major 7, E major 7, C sharp minor 7, and G sharp minor 7. And here's a breakdown of how to play the chords. So first chord is an A major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the G string and the 2nd fret of the D and the B string, and it's going to sound like this. Second chord is an E major 7, so we're putting our fingers on the 1st fret of the D and the G string and the 2nd fret of the A string. It's going to sound like this. Next chord is a C sharp minor 7, so we're barring the 4th fret and we're putting our fingers on the 5th fret of the B string and the 6th fret of the D string. It's going to sound like this. Last chord is a G sharp minor 7, so we're still barring the 4th fret and we're putting our finger on the 6th fret of the A string, and it's going to sound like this. Alright, so that's the progression for the entire song, and when we think about it in 4 counts, it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the strumming pattern, keeping it really simple here, so I'm actually doing a palm mute, and I'm just strumming down up, okay? So for the A major 7, I'm doing that once, down up. Then for the E major 7, doing it twice, down up, down up. Then for the C sharp minor 7, doing it once, down up. And then for the G sharp minor 7, doing it twice, down up, 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 down up. So I'm basically doing that throughout the song just to match the vibe. But there you go. Alright, y'all, I appreciate you tapping into this tutorial. I really hope that it helped you out and added value to you. If it did, go ahead and comment down below what's your favorite song off of this deluxe album. Also, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone that wants to learn this song. And please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel if you want more tutorials and videos like this. And right about now, there's going to be another tutorial that's popping up on your screen. It's my tutorial on Saturn. Go ahead and click on it and check that one out if you liked this one. And I'll see you guys on the next video.